As a premium customer, you have the opportunity to create a bid for your projects. Before doing so, you would need to fill in your personal or business information. NB, this step will only be required once. From any page, you can select on the bid option on the menu bar. Select the option to create a bid. Once you are a new customer, you will be redirected to this page before you can access the bid. Once the form is accessed, you will fill in the information as required. Each field is mandatory and a response is required to move forward. Enter the following. 1. Your name or the company name. 2. Point of contact, the person you will speak to about the project, especially for a business. 3. Your personal or business contact number. 4. Your personal or business email address. 5. Your complete personal or business address including street name and number, city and parish. Creating a bid is simple and easy. From any page on the site, select the arrow at the bid option for the drop-down bid on the menu bar. Select the option to create a bid. You will be directed to the project form. Step 1. You need to have a PDF copy of your design drawings and your bill of quantities for the design. The bill of quantities is an itemized list of all the components and materials that make up the design. You can get this from our approved list of quantity surveyors or your own quantity surveyor for your project. NB, compress or create a zip file of your bill of quantities and drawings if you have more than one file. Step 2. Insert your personal or company information and a brief description or instruction about your project which will be read by your contractors. Upload your zip file and create the time that you would like for the bid to be returned. We recommend at least 2 weeks for a house. You will also be required to the full address including for the location the project will be done. This will include the street, city and parish. Once saved, the project will be available for viewing under All My Bids with a link for payments. After creating the project, it may be viewed from the My Account page under the All My Bids tab. Once selected, you are redirected to the active projects. This shows all active projects, including the project ID, name, address of project location, expiration date of project. It shows whether or not payment was made and the action to take. For a new bid, the option to make payment is to be selected, the price will be shown and an option to pay. The bid is then added to the cart for checkout. You are able to make payment with using your debit or credit card and coupons. You will then go through the checkout process and place your order. After payment is confirmed, you will see the order summary which will also be sent to your email. You will then return to All My Bids to view the project. The option will be available to select 3 contractors for your bid from our platform. An email will be sent to each contractor with a link containing your files, instructions and time to return the bid. The contractor will be able to then download your files and enter their rates to give you an overall cost for your project. The contractor will use the project link to upload their bid response documents with overall price to the platform. The client will be notified when bid have been returned. NB, if the contractor does not return the bid in the time specified, the bid will becomes void.